how to turn on Instagram two-factor authentication. For that, you need to open Instagram application. Make sure to sign in on your account. Then tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three-line icon at the upper right corner. Now tap on account center. Here you need to tap on password and security. Now tap on two-factor authentication. You need to choose an account to set up two-factor authentication. After you have chosen that, here it is shown how you get login code. Simply you need to tap on text message and you can toggle on the text message. If you want to change phone number, you can tap on change phone number and you can enter a new phone number here. After that, you can also tap on additional methods and here you can toggle on the login request so that Instagram will send a notification to approve new devices that try to log in. You can also tap on backup codes and use the backup codes when you don't have access to your phone. So here are also add a backup method ways that you can enable the two-factor authentication. You can go through it. For now, let's keep for this login codes only. So in this way, you can easily enable the two-factor authentication on Instagram. I hope this video was useful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.